Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today I'm going to throw out a challenge to you guys. It's called the rock, paper, scissor, plank challenge. We are going to be doing a plank. In that plank position, we are going to have a rock, paper, scissor battle with somebody. So you will need a partner for this activity, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the actual activity. Ready? And up. Make sure your backs are straight. Start with your right hand. You can start with your left hand. Ready, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Scissors, we're tied up. Again, do it again. Switch hands. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win that first game. Switch again. That's game two. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. He wins that one. Switch again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. He wins that one. And we're going to go back and forth as many times as we can. The goal is to maintain that plank position and get as many games as you can. So I hope you guys join me for this challenge. Again, this is called the rock, paper, scissor, plank challenge. And make sure you hashtag that. Okay? Rock, paper, scissors challenge. See you guys soon. Take care. Until next time.